Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the bobble stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains. You will need to know how to make the double crochet stitch. I have tutorials on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I made regular single crochet stitches and then I worked my bobble stitches into those single crochet stitches. And this is going to be the front of my work. I just wanted to show you how the bobble stitches are going to look. The reason being I'm showing you the front is because the bobble stitches are actually, when you work them, they're going to poke out the other side of your work. So like the row that I'm currently working on, I'm actually going to be looking at the back of my work, and then they're going to poke out on this side. So as we go along, I will show you that. That's why I wanted to show you the front, because these are the bobbles, and this is how they're going to look. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my work, and as you can see, this is the back of my work, and that's what I mean by they are worked from the back, but they poke out of the front, because these are the backs of those bobbles. Okay, so let me get situated really quick, and I will go ahead and show you guys. Alright, so I have made two chains over here on my hook. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work a bobble into this second single crochet right here. You're going to start by yarning over your hook. You're going to insert your hook into the stitch that you want to work. You're going to pull up a loop. You're going to yarn over. You're then going to pull through only 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch again. Grab that loop, pull it through. You're going to have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through only 2. Yarn over your hook, insert it into that stitch again. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through only 2. You'll have 4 loops left. Yarn over, insert your hook again. Grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay? Yarn over, insert your hook one last time. Grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. You will have 6 loops on your hook. This is when you are good to finish off your bobble. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through all 6 loops. And then I like to do a chain right after that, so I know that it is secured with a chain. And then I'm going to work a single crochet into this next stitch right here. So you can see that this is the back of that bobble. It's going to stick out on this side and be raised. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and work another single crochet. Then I'm going to work a bobble into the stitch right here. I'm going to yarn over my hook, insert it into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops, leaving 2 loops. Yarn over again, insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops, leaving 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch we've been working. Grab that yarn and pull it through. Yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. You'll have 4 loops left. Yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch we've been working in. Grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You'll have 5 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch again. Grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. We now have 6 loops on our hook, so we know that we're good to finish our bobble. Grab that yarn over your hook, pull it through all 6 loops. Make a chain. Okay? I'm working single crochet stitches in between these just so just to match the rest of my work really, but this is how those bobbles are looking so far. Alright, so I'm going to make a bobble in this one. Start by yarning over your hook, insert your hook into your work, or into your next stitch. Yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. We have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over, insert it into the same stitch. Grab that yarn and pull it through. Yarn over, pull through only 2 loops, leaving 3 loops. Yarn over, insert it into that same stitch. Grab that yarn and pull it through. Pull through only 2 loops. We have 4 loops left. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We have 5 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, grab that yarn and pull it through. yarn over. We have 6 loops, so we're going to yarn over, pull it through all 6 loops, and make a chain to secure it. Alright, I'm going to make a bobble in this one right here. Yarn over your hook, insert it into the stitch that you want to work, grab that yarn and pull it through. You're going to yarn over your hook, pull it through only 2 loops. We have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, insert it into the stitch that we are working, grab that yarn and pull it through, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. We have 3 loops left, yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, grab that yarn and pull it through, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops. We have 4 loops left. Yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops only, 5 loops left. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We have 6 loops, so we're good to finish our bobble. Yarn over, pull through all 6 loops, secure with a chain. Okay. And I'm going to make a last bobble right here in this stitch. So I'm going to start by yarning over my hook. Insert my hook into the stitch right here. I'm going to grab that yarn, I'm going to pull it through. I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through only 2. I have 2 loops on my hook. Yarn over, insert into that stitch, grab that yarn and pull it through. Yarn over, pull through 2. I have 3 loops now. Yarn over, into the stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through only 2. I have 4 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2. I have 5 loops. Yarn over, insert that hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, pull through 2. I have 6 loops. I'm good to finish my bobble. Yarn over, pull through all 6, and secure with a chain. Alright, so I'm going to turn my work to the front and I'm going to show you guys, this is how my bobble stitches look. Alright, they are going to be raised on this side of my work. This is going to be how the back of them look. Okay, so that is going to be how to make the bobble stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback for future videos or tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.